Hi. Oh my god, can you hear me? Okay. Hi. This is my house tour because I made it. Ew. Nope. Yeah. So it's a pet sanctuary, actually. You walk down this little aisle with aquariums or whatever they are on the little whatever. Oh my god, I can't talk. And then you come down here where I sit. I'm like, hi, my name is Kara. I am the founder of this company. Fluffs and stuffs. Yeah. So my friends. friends. And all these. And then what I'm gonna put right here is my boy. Right. My lemonade stand. Yeah, I have an Android. These are just poopy, stinky, nothing down there. This is the trading room. So I come in here and I sit, and you sit right there. And then trade. What you doing? She's stuck in the laundry basket. Anyway, yeah, that's that. I'm laggy. And then all of that, and then right here, look at my face. It's literally beautiful. My gourmet kitchen. I was in a rush. I made this today and finished it today. So there's still a lot to be done. Like decorating wise. I was like, let's just go ahead and make it. So tons of food, water, drink. Food, water, drink. All of that. I wanted to get the little sleek dispenser, but I'm poor. I used 20? I used all my money. It's still not enough for it. But yeah, and that's basically the bottom of the house. And also the little walls. I thought it looked like dog hair, like a golden retriever. I thought it was cute, but like now that I think about it, you're just in a cube of dog hair. Ew! Sorry. This is beds and baths. Baths. Oh my god. Bundles of joy bathroom. With tons of yeah. And this black mirror. Wow, man. And then this is Little Sleeper's room. As you can tell, this is not finished. I got overwhelmed and just put some bottles right there. But that is okay, man. That is okay. And then this is staff only. You gotta be quiet about this. Quiet about it. Can't tell anyone that you saw the inside of the staff only room. Oh my god, so fun. It's so fun. Oh my god. Look at the tree, the slim tree, and the beautiful, are these two different colors? And the book, and also you're like, how are they gonna pay you? This is so poopy stupid. And I totally disagree. I told you from the first. I got this. And you can walk through it, and we're gonna set price to 20 because I used all my money on this poopy stinky house. 20. And you better be grateful. So you're like, oh la 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 la. Oh my god, I have to pay? This is poopy. Pay. And then yeah, do what you need to do. Do. Oh. Bye.